everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, gagawa tayo ng book review about one of the most talked about Filipino romance book, The Rain in España by J.V. Saluders, mas kaila nating lahat bilang Are-You-May. Kung mahilig kayo sa college romance, real-life drama, at stories na may hugot, stay tuned kasi this one is super interesting. Before anything else, kilalanin muna natin ang author, si J.V. Saluders. Si J.V. Saluders ay isang Filipino writer na unang sumikat sa Wattpad. She writes under the pen name Are-You-May, and she is known for emotional and relatable romance stories. Graduate siya sa UST, kaya maraming parts ng university series ang inspired by real experience. Yung pressure sa school, friendship, at yung mga painful but important lessons ng adulthood. Kaya sobrang authentic ng writing niya, parang real people sa totoong buhay yung characters. Bakit ko nga ba pinili ang The Rain in España? Simple lang, ang daming hype and I want something na hindi lang puro kilig but also realistic and meaningful. And honestly, this book gave me exactly that romance plus drama plus life lesson all in one. Ano pa nga ba ang inaantay natin? Halina't pag-usapan natin kung ano ang story ng ito. So, the story follows Luna, a fine arts student from UST, and Kalex, an engineering student from UP. So, nagka-developon silang dalawa at young age. Pero habang tumatanda sila, mas nagiging complicated yung relationship nilang dalawa. There's miscommunication, emotional, immaturity, academic stress, personal issues, lahat ng real struggles na common sa young relationship. So, what makes the book stand out is how it shows the beauty and pain of young love. How relationships fall apart when people grow at different paces. The importance of choosing yourself and how friendship, especially the Sanga Reyes Barkada. The Sanga Reyes Barkada helped them survive the worst days. So hindi lang siya love story, it's about growth, self-worth, and knowing when to let go. So ano nga ba ang matutunan natin sa libro ito? Una ay love is not enough if both people aren't ready. Kahit gaano kalalim ang feelings, it won't work without maturity and communication. Pangalawa, healing takes time. Hindi minamadali ang pag-move on. It's a slow but necessary process. Pangatlo, friendships are priceless. Your barkada can be your anchor during your darkest moment. Pang-apat, know your worth. Yan, di mawawala talaga na dapat alam mo kung ano yung worth mo. Sometimes the bravest thing you can do is choose yourself. Panghuli, growth is part of life. People change, and that's normal. And just because two people love each other doesn't mean they're meant to stay together. That's my book review of Rain in Manila. Kung hindi nyo pa nababasa, highly recommended ko siya, lalo na kung gusto nyo yung stories na may kilig, aral, at kunting sakit, pero worth it. Before I end this video, I want to ask you, Team Luna or Team Kalex ba kayo? Which character do you relate the most? Or kung nabasa nyo na, ano ang pinakatumatak na lesson sa inyo? Comment nyo na sa baba, gusto ko mabasa ang thoughts nyo. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more book reviews and content. Thank you for watching, and see you again sa next video.